Right, what's up traders? So welcome to a weekly review. So in this weekly review, as you can see, I'm going to be going over my past week's performance from the 5th of February to the 9th of February this year, 2024. And some takeaways, some, good things, some not so good things, what I can do to make more money. As you can see, this is a 200k account linked here. I made $2,800, so just under 1.4%, just under 1.5%, just over 1.4% gain on the week. Right, so a really solid week. First of all, I just want to say that was a good week from me. But as I said in my weekly report card, I ended the week up 1.4%. Yes, this result is good, but how I'm doing it is what gets me excited. And that's just, I'm doing these daily review videos, doing my daily report cards and doing reviews on them, sending them through to my Black Shirt Club thread, and making sure that I am consistently working on my edge each and every single day. And I have these big goals, Austin, Evan, Tom, that are who are holding me accountable to them, right? You can't have these big goals, but they're not actually, let your actions match your words. So I'm coming to the desk each and every single day, wanting to be the best version of myself. So let's go over each and every single day. So Monday, I started off with GCAD shorts to the downside, right? As you can see, I love break and retest of the Asian range low or high if we're buying, low if we're selling. I start off the week with a nice little win on GCAD. So that was a good winner to start the week. As you can see, nice little win. On Tuesday, I was shorting EJ. This took a little bit more time, I do believe. Let's get up this chart, 15-minute and 5-minute charts, right? So close underneath this 200 EMA, and I'm looking to short the following day, trading underneath that 200 EMA on the 50-minute chart. That is my bias dictator, that 200 EMA on the 50-minute chart. But look how this TDR value is underneath the 50 line, right? So I'm continuing to look for shorts. And we obviously stagger around a bit, but end up falling late into the afternoon. This was also a nice week because we didn't really have much news on, which wasn't really interfering with me having to, close out maybe for CPR, which we have this coming week, and things like that. So really nice Tuesday there, nice little winner as well, as you can see. Let's go to Wednesday, and I do believe this was a little bit of a trickier day to navigate. But still a solid day overall in terms of where my mind was at. And let me speak a little bit about that, right? So because I was in a good headspace and I'm prepped, I'm able to make good decisions. Remember, trading, you're not paid to do anything. You're not paid by just doing daily report cards or weekly report cards. You're actually paid to make good decisions and manage risk. So I missed a little run up here. This was as I was getting to the desk an hour pre-London Open. I missed this little run up and I was waiting for a retest, and we get it here in the New York session late into my afternoon, 4 p.m. But we just don't follow through. So I closed for break even. I think something that I want to speak about is I was in this trade with another of our guys in the mentorship program, the Black Shirt Club, and he was getting really panicky and fidgeting around and everything like that. He doesn't like losing, and let's be honest, no one likes losing, right? But I think a good takeaway from this day here was the fact of just two little quotes that I put in my daily report card, and this keeps me humble and grounded and staying focused on each and every single day, and that there's a long-term vision at mind. The biggest mistake in trading is to do everything fast. That's a little quote that I picked up from a blog post I was reading. And another one is just a little snippet from the Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. Losing sucks. Nobody likes losing. And this is just a quote from him here. It says, "There are better ways to reduce the pain of losing, but on some level, for people who are highly competitive, the pain will always be there. It will never feel good, and that's fine. The goal then becomes more about how to handle the pain. Since you'll never eliminate the pain of losing entirely, you must learn to push yourself through it by realizing the pain isn't a problem. It is okay to lose. As long as you are managing risk, you can't be risking 0.5% per trade, and then all of a sudden on your losers, you double down and you overtrade or you over risk and whatever, and you lose 2%. That's just going to obviously, your risk reward ratio coupled with your win rate produces a positive or negative expectancy value, and you need that to be solid. For those that don't know what that is, go run that on an equity simulator and check that out. So that was my Wednesday. Thursday was a good day. I was buying GA and EA, similar trades to the high side. So remember what I was saying to you about I love a break and retest to the downside on GCAD on Monday. So this is just the inverse of it. Let me go to it. Yeah, see, break and retest to the downside, TDI in the sell zone of that Asian range. Let me go to GA, break and retest to the high side with a TDI in the buy zone. So literally the invert opposite, right? TDI in the buy zone, break and retest of that Asian range high. So really solid day. Maybe I could have sized up on these, I felt, on Thursday. And then Friday, a flat day. Nothing really much to speak about. There wasn't really any plays for me. But yeah, that was my week in total, up 1.4%. And I will update you with that bespoke account. So let's bring that up. As you can see, the balance now is over $4,000. So it means I'm up over 2% on this challenge, which I have been running through each and every single day in my daily review videos. But yeah, this was a solid week for me, and looking forward to continuing to put these out. I hope you found value in these, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.